Okay, hive 3. It was already single high. They haven't done much with their pollen patty. Their feeder is pretty close to empty, so maybe that's good. We're gonna take a look at these guys. I just saw a hive beetle. There's small hive beetles everywhere in this one, so he needs a beetle trap. All right, let's see how they're going. Alright, pretty tight. Nothing on the outer frames. They're not building that out with honey, so that's not very good. I don't really see a lot of bees moving around in here. Alright, outer frame has a little bit of honey on it. Looking okay. Turn this where I can see it. Hey, this is a really good frame of honey next. These are pretty stuck together too. Alright, so this frame's really heavy. Look at that. Overrun with beetle larvae. Just overrun. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is so bad. Oh my God. These bees are in really bad shape. That's not good. Oh, this hive is probably not very healthy is the problem. Alright, so there's honey, bees. I don't see a... I want to take a photo of that as well. Okay. These guys are getting more happy with me. Smoke a little bit more. Oh my God, there's just beetle larvae everywhere. I got it. This is so bad. Alright, let's look at the other frames and then I'll figure out what to do with the rest of that stuff. population actually looks all right though. A lot on those frames. They're making a ton of honey. So I mean, this one's okay honey wise. It looks like a big drone cell, but I don't see any larvae. I've not seen any larvae in this hive in quite some time. Oh, that's pretty neat. Alright, so here's another frame. Lots of honey. So this hive's got plenty of honey, plenty of food. I'm worried about those beetles. That's bad news. And here's my outer frames. I hadn't seen a bit of brood in there. And then here's a big honey frame out on this outside. Just looks like maybe they moved some of it or something. Because I had more in there before, but I moved it to the outside like this to put that feeder in. So off we go. Looking okay. That's all right. I'm gonna change the feeder with a fresh one. We're gonna put her back together.